Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday said that centre will bear the cost of vaccinating 3 crore healthcare and frontline workers across the country while asking the states not to buy vaccines directly and make all purchases through the union government. In his interaction with the chief ministers of all the states to discuss the pandemic situation and vaccination rollout in the country, PM Modi further said it should be ensured that public representatives, a reference to politicians, do not jump queues and take vaccines ahead of other citizens. The Prime Minister said Centre will be the single agency for all the vaccine purchases. Sources said that HLL Lifecare Limited, a public sector undertaking, will be procuring the vials on behalf of the government. The Serum Institute of India on Monday said it has received the purchase order from the Centre for the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine. Each dose will cost around Rs 220, inclusive of all the taxes and 14% GST. They said that the vaccine transportation will begin shortly. Sources, however, added that there is no clarity on the second dose yet. Health Ministry is asking both the companies to give a certain quantity for free of cost, a source said. Abhay Singh Chautala, the lone INLD MLA in Haryana Assembly, said on Monday that he would resign if the centre did not withdraw its controversial agriculture laws by January 26th. In a letter to the Speaker, he criticized the centre for imposing black laws in an undemocratic way and indicated that his conscience would not allow him to remain silent any longer. If the Government of India does not withdraw these 3 black laws by January 26, then this letter should be considered as my resignation, Chautala wrote to Speaker Gyan Chand Gupta. Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat is on a visit to Ladakh to review the country's overall military preparedness as thousands of Indian and Chinese troops remain deployed in a high state of combat readiness in various mountainous locations in the region amid the 8-month-long border standoff. Official sources said on Monday that General Rawat will be briefed by Lieutenant General PGK Menon, the commander of the Leh-based 14 Corps, popularly known as Fire and Fury Corps, and other senior military officials on the dynamic security matrix in eastern Ladakh. US First Lady Melania Trump put out a statement today condemning last week's Capitol Hill siege that shook America, saying that violence is never acceptable. Make no mistake about it, I absolutely condemn the violence that has occurred on our nation's capital, she said in a statement titled Our Path Forward, released by the White House. She added that this time is for the United States to heal in a civil manner. She also urged people to stop the violence and said, I implore people to stop the violence, never make assumptions based on the color of a person's skin, or use differing political ideologies as a basis for aggression and viciousness. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.